here in the audience who has a gold coin? All the hands go down. Yeah, who's got a coin and wants to play? Yeah, I see a guy in a blue shirt here. If you've got a coin and you want to stand up for me, what I'll get you to do is hold that coin in between your thumb and finger straight out to the side. Now what I'm going to do is send Jojo on up to you. He's going to steal your coin, slide on down, and pop it somewhere safe. My pocket.
That's Marty Gaillard took my coin.
That's not a coin.
That's not a coin. Excuse me everybody, I've got to ask this beautiful zookeeper a very important question. Megan Plum, will you marry me?
Oh my gosh.
Go music, go birds.